Good day, everyone. Before we check the winner of the game, let's discuss the question first. So the first question is, the journal is about instructional media in, well, we have already discussed the meaning of tertiary level, right? Tertiary level means university. So you guys are tertiary level student. And children, tapi ini udah betul semua ya, yang ini nggak ada yang pilih. Okay. Children, in English language teaching, we call children as young learners. That's why in the next semester you will have a course called English for Young Learner. Jadi children di dalam English language teaching disebutnya young learners, bukan children lagi. Kalau teenagers ini nggak dibahas, ini paling yang di senior high school atau junior high school. Next, the second question is, it was a quantitative study in elementary school. Okay. The main point of this question is the method of the research. This one, a quantitative study, or the other method. Let's see the other method. So, in doing research, we can choose three methods, which are quantitative method, qualitative method, or mixed method. Usually, in English language teaching, most of the researcher will use qualitative method because we are going to research human, and we are going to describe about their behavior, for example, their improvement in doing something, and so on and so forth. Where was I? The third question, right? So the question is, what kind of data collection techniques used in that research? These options are data collection techniques or data collection method. So we have observation, document analysis, interview, and questionnaire. Can we use all of these techniques in our research? How many kind of techniques you should know? Well, let's discuss it for a while. These are the data collection techniques. In research, we can use observation, document analysis, interview, questionnaire, or documentation. These are the techniques of your data collection. Should we use all of them? No. You can choose either 1, 2, or maybe 3. But usually in a thesis, a student will use at least two data collection techniques. For example, if you want to do a classroom action research in a senior high school, and then you come to the class, you observe how the teacher teach the classroom, and that's what we call observation. Document analysis means, for example, when you want to do a research about the improvement of student writing, just like Kak Krisa, right? So you will analyze the document of students writing. That's why Kak Krisa came to our class. So she will do the observation and also the document analysis, I guess. The next one is interview. Interview means, well, you interview the students, for example, or maybe the teacher. Questionnaire, just like interview, but your question is in the form of what do we call it? Written question. Interview is for oral question, right? And questionnaire is for written questions. And then documentation. Documentation means, for example, you are doing an observation in a classroom, and then you take the documentation of students and teachers' activities. And after that, you analyze the documentation. Do you get it? For data collection techniques and for research method, the theories will be explained in research in language teaching course next semester, I guess. All right, let's move on to the next question. The amount of time in seconds the child remains on task without distraction. Well, this is just the part of the text or the journal. I took the question from this paragraph. Attention span is defined as the amount of time in seconds the child remains on task without distraction. So that is attention span, not concentrate, not focus, attention span. Next question is, an instruction that enables students to acquire specified skills, knowledge, and attitudes proposed by Razor and his friend, his college. And this is the meaning of effective instruction. I took the question from this paragraph, this one. Effective instruction is blah blah blah. Razor and Dick. Wow. Next. Question number 6 is also the part of the journal. All materials that can be used by the teachers to conduct teaching learning activities is the meaning of instructional media, and I took this question from this paragraph. Oh no, sorry. This one. Instructional media itself is defined by Scanlon as all materials that can be used by the teachers to conduct teaching learning activities and support students in reaching instructional objectives. Okay, next. Question number 7. There are 8 types of instructional media proposed by blah 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 in 2007. As a tertiary level student, especially an English department student, you guys really should know these names, these experts. Richard, Brown, and Harmer are linguists or English language teaching experts, while Creswell is the expert of research method. That's why you will find Creswell name in chapter 3 of the student's thesis. Next question. These are effective instructional media used for teaching young learners except, well, Harmer said that PowerPoint slides can be used as instructional media, right? But for teaching young learners, Wildan Nurul Aini conclude that the effective instructional media are realia, boards, and pictures. She did not mention PowerPoint slides. So the answer is PowerPoint slides. Next question. There are 5 steps of data analysis in that journal, and it is proposed by, this one. This is about the research. research, and the famous, what do we call it? The famous expert for research method is Creswell. You should know that. Next question. The conclusion is the use of instructional media by the teacher in elementary school is better than in junior high school, I guess. So the answer is false, because in her journal, Idang or Wildan Nurul Aini did not conclude about the comparison in using instructional media by the teachers in elementary school and the teacher in junior high school, but she focused on the use of instructional media by the teachers in elementary school only. That's why the answer of the 10th question is false. Okay, now let's see the podium. These are the winners of the game. Hila, trying, and Fahmi. Okay, congratulations for the winners. But by the way, is this your first trial, guys? Okay, now let's go back. Do you guys want to check the report of for the other players? I want to check it, by the way. So there are 3 students answer 100% correctly, but as you already know, the final score will depends on the speed when you choose the answer, right? And then we have Macy, Hadi, Laras, Lisa, second chances. Nah, udah second chances masih aja 78%. Oke, Fahmi. Nah, berarti Fahmi 2 kali nih. Nurul Husna, Dwi, Yola, Reza, kemudian Niswa, Laras lagi, Putri, Vera, Ilham, and Aldo. Should I click see more? Maybe not, right? Okay. So that's it, everyone. As usual, I hope you learned something from this short video, and see ya. Goodbye.